Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I will show you guys how can you transfer file guys to Vivo phone to another phone guys. You want to transfer this file, so guys you can transfer. And guys, now let's see how to transfer file to another phone. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you need my channel and you're watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So first of all guys, I want to tell you guys, you want to transfer files. So guys, first of all guys, what will you have to do guys? If you have the same file guys, Google file, then guys press it and guys come on app info guys, same, and guys clear the storage. Then guys you can transfer file to easily guys. You can try this formula. So guys, we will click on this storage and guys clear storage, and guys nothing will delete in your phone, don't worry. And guys click on clear storage, then guys okay, and guys come back and guys open this file and guys open this file. Guys click on share option, send, and guys continue while using this app, receive, continue while using this app, allow. And guys we will take any name, like example for guys www, next, and guys ee, next. This formula guys, when you will use guys, you will say yes guys, it was amazing video guys. Then guys click here and guys tell me on comment, do you like this formula or not, and guys click on connect option. So guys, now I will share guys some photos like that, this file as well guys, 8 photos, and guys send. You can see guys, flash had transferred to another phone. If you want guys more send to file, then guys you can send file from here, like guys this screen recording guys, video guys you want to share, then guys send, and as you can see video has transferred. So I hope friends you have understood how to transfer file to another phone. I hope friends you have understood, and guys tell me on comment, do you like it this formula or not. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye friends.